Quick and dirty, this is how you remove the rear wiper on a 2019, 2021, 22, any of the 4th gen Mazda 3s. So you're gonna have this clip or this little cover right on the back. You're gonna notice that you're not able to push this up all the way. What you need to do is you need to take your fingers on either side of the clip. I'll adjust this a little bit to make it a bit more visible. Okay, so you're gonna take your fingers on either side of the clip and you're gonna pop off this part, okay? And just kind of weasel that off. Now, right in the middle, if you can see this little part right here that my hook is pointing at, that part needs to come out. So right now what that part is doing is when you lift this, it's a stopper that prevents it from fully extending. And so you need to take a little, I have this hook. You can use tweezers, you can use a pen tip if you have one. But all you do is you just reach into here and you pry it out. And it'll come out just like this. And this is what it looks like right on the end, okay? So once you have that done, what you can do is you can raise this arm again. And now this thing will come off super easily. All you have to do is just pull it back and it will pop itself out. Just like that. And then you can put the new one on, which I will show you here real quick. This is a single direction, or there's only one way to put this on basically. The flat part is going to be towards the back. It's going to match the shape of this part. So flat parts here, round parts here, flat parts here, round parts here. Put it on the same way that you took it off. Just get it into the groove and then fold it back. Make sure that it's locked in place. Fold down the wiper. Take that little clip that you took out and put it back in. This is also single direction. And so you'll notice that it has these little indentations right here on either side that matches with the wiper. And so for the orientation to be correct, I need to flip it like this and put it right back where it came from. You'll hear a little click when it's good. Take your cover, put it back on, and you're done.